Okay, hi everyone. Here's another video. I believe this is from Aliexpress. I will be leaving links. So I guess us three will have the same phone then.
Yeah, but I want a different color.
Mine has to be black. I don't want any color phone.
Mine. They don't got yellow. I need money.
I have to have black phone, not no freaking
Girl,
colors.
I don't give two shits about blue. I don't want blue. I want to say black. I don't want black. They need yellow. Can I just paint my phone yellow?
Look at how my package is all combobulated.
A yellow case, right? Have a yellow case.
And it's funny because
I probably want to like Harley Quinn case.
No, I think it's in the front.
I don't know.
In the front, the package in the front, it's combobulated. It's broken over here. See? Look, I will try to cover my address and everything. It's broken over here. It's mistreated like crazy. So see?
Girl, they abused the package. It's mistreated. We gotta call DIFUS. We gotta call DIFUS for packages. Stop messing with the water.
Look, I swear it looked like, I hope they packaged it like this and it wasn't the post office people, you know, because I don't put nothing past them. Damn. Whoa. This is a freaking big ass thing.
What is it? I need to hurry up.
Look. I think it had to have been them who packaged it like this. So you know what? Let's just start cutting.
Oh, wait a minute.
Because it's bubble wrap.
There's fucking water on her.
Okay.
It's Venalisa.
Why is there soap in here?
9D Galaxy Cat Eye Gels.
Right? There's soap in here.
Because it's showing it right there. Look.
North American Pipeline Service. I don't understand why this pipeline thing is on. This is back con. Are those the oil people, Mommy?
They're over there. They fixing all the way down there.
What are they?
I don't know because I didn't read the truck.
It says North American Pipeline Services.
Oh, then it must have been from that house. Remember when we saw the fire and everything?
But he's right here. Why is he here?
Because there's another truck all the way down there.
Oh.
My poor box is combobulated.
What is it?
How rude.
What is it?
How rude.
Trying to read. Galaxy Cat Eye Gel. Oh.
Look how rude.
What happened? You need the phone, Mommy?
No, I don't need that phone now. When you get the... I just needed it to put the song for my mom, for she can listen to that song. Now I want to know what the hell he took and ran off.
I don't know about him. He's a little butt. Daddy, get up in the car. Beat you up.
He went to go use the bathroom.
You're on the toilet. He's on the toilet. I'm going to beat him up. What they going to say? I can't beat my son up. If any one of your followers decide to sit there and view it and think that I'm very serious about beating up my son, they could go suck my non-existent thing and choke, because at the end of the day, I don't abuse my kids, and I'll be damned. Continue with your video, Mommy.
You don't have to say that in the video.
You? Shush.
Tell me about it. But this is my video. Okay, what the heck?
Put these things away. I'm gonna beat you up.
Does it open this
What
one?
are you doing?
Because
Why you got a scratch on your face?
this is what I received and the poor box is combobulated.
Beat you up.
That's what.
9 9D 12 colors UV and LED Galaxy Cat Eye Gel Venalisa.
They're gonna beat you up.
I guess it's 7.5 miles.
Milliliters.
I'm always, I always say that all the time, no matter what, miles. ML.
Jaden, come here.
Now, how the heck?
I'm gonna beat you up. Come here.
I already hear
Am I
something
bad,
weird
Molly?
going in here.
Do I abuse you? Can you say it louder?
No.
No.
This is what I received, people. Ew. It's very dusty, but okay.
Beat 'em up, Mommy.
Uh-huh. Look, they gave me this for free. What the hell happened here? Oh, I guess it just came apart.
I'm hungry.
Not a problem. I can put it back.
Mommy, if you want you to make eggs and bacon.
Well, whichever way I put it back in. Oh, there. So,
Pick up the ducky.
these are my magnets for my cat eyes. This one looks combobulated. Yeah, look at it. I gotta clean my hands. Oops.
Put all the stuff away.
But
Put it all
this
away.
is primer, air dry.
Come on.
Oh, so this was in here in this slot. That's why.
Where's the other ducky?
That's where they go in. And so it must have came out in the shipping, from coming all the way over here. Here's the base coat.
Did anybody ask whether or not we have
This is coat color. Base coat. Do at least have a top coat? Coat color. Oh, so I don't know which colors are these. Hello.
now whether or not you can afford it is
Matte top coat. Temperate top UV and LED. Don't know. All these weird. Here are the colors. J02. J01. I don't know which ones are which. I will have to find out. This one is J03. This one is J04. Let's go take all of them out. J06, J05. This is J11, J12. J09, J10. I will leave the link. And here's J07 and J08. Oh, I could take this out of here. Since the box is all combobulated, yeah. My box is all crazy looking.
Nine. Can I get one of those started
It
teenies?
would have been nice if I could have saved the box.
Mommy, can I get one of those started teenies?
No. So this is what I received. Okay. Lo que yo recibí. Y aquí están las cosas. The magnets, of course, which is right here. So, guess that's the way they went in, So, how was it again? Here's the air primer, which goes one right here. Color coat right there. Don't know how it went. Temperate top. Matte top coat. Can't wait to see. Coat color. base coat. And then comes with these colors. I can't wait to see them. I will show them, but I don't feel like opening them up right now, because if I'm not going to be using them, why bother? I just can't wait to see the colors. $90 cat eye gel. I had to have it because I wanted them. They ate the whole box already and nobody gave us one?
No.
How rude.
No, she didn't eat it all.
You didn't get to eat?
No, she didn't.
Where are they?
Mommy brought them to the kitchen and didn't bother giving me any.
Oh, so then you gotta wait. When I'm done with this video, I will get you.
Okay? I'm hungry.
You hungry? I'm making the rice and it's still early, so it's probably already what time? 10 something? So I will heat up the food that I made yesterday also and give it to you. You want to eat some of that too? Okay. And 90 cat eye gel from Venalisa. Yes, I had to have it. I'm still trying to get a bunch more. But this one's from Venalisa. I will leave the link. Yo voy a dejar el link. The box already is combobulated. But yep, this is what I received today. So I will let everybody go. Bye everyone.